toy to play with in your pool?
Can you say thank you, Leslie?
She wants another one.
Go look, see how you work that thing.
You're welcome. Susie, watch this.
We'll have fun with those.
There's a ball in there and a tube.
Yeah, a little bouncy
Play in the
ball.
water with that.
Beach
That'll be
ball.
so fun this summer. Okay, Addison, can you give this to Izzy? It's kind of heavy.
That's from Addison, Izzy, okay?
It's a beach towel.
Beach towel.
Oh, wow.
It's my towel.
Everybody's hoping that the sun's going to come out.
And those
It's Bubble Bath, Dora, and Boots.
You can put that in the lake when you go down to the...
Yeah.
Clean the lake.
You like that, don't you?
Who is this?
Oh, is it magic spray?
Tanglers, but when she was over, I told her it was magic spray for her hair because she gets her hair started to brush out and it's tangling.
A scrunchie. Oh, God. I like that. I can get one of those for my bathroom.
Kyle's going to have to add on now.
Nail polish.
Oh, Grandma Jeannie needs that.
That'll be fun. Hey, Izzy, you say thank you to Addison and Uncle James
Addison
and
got that
Christy.
for you.
Oh, David. What'd he say? What'd she say?
Thanks, Uncle Jake.
Let's pile up this booty here. You're
Thanks,
welcome.
Auntie Christine.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Addison. Give Addison a hug, Izzy.
You guys hug. Addison, can you give me a hug real fast?
Oh.
Say happy birthday, Izzy.
She couldn't get it out. That's what she
Hey, Addison, can you get that one over there? Here you go.
One more present.
Oh, wow. Here, this is my present. This, no,
That's from
my
you.
present.
That's from you, Papa David, but it's not
This
yours.
is from Papa David. Grandma Jean.
I made it myself in Taiwan. I went to a craft school over there.
Oh, what is that?
paper.
It's in there. Open it. Right there.
Put it in the
your
back of her head.
hand. Yeah. What's in that?
It's tacos from Joe's.
What is it?
I picked it out myself because I have one just like it.
Pretty little shirt.
Yay.
It reminds me of the time I spent in jail.
Say yay, thank you.
Wow, that was nice.
Yay. And you got one more card, Izzy.
Look at that.
Izzy, this is from Grandma Ann and Papa Bob.
Isn't Skype cool?
Okay, open it. See what's in there. What's on that front of that card, Izzy? Izzy, do you know what that is? That's money.
She threw it on the floor, didn't she?
Can you go give Grandma Ann a hug and say thank you? Go give her a hug. Say thank you, Grandma Ann.
You gotta take that in there and put it in the bank for when you grow up.
Yeah.
Grandma Jeannie, I don't know who it is. It's just a number.
Oh, I'm not going to answer it. It's probably my work.
Yay.
You need to come in,
Izzy's gonna like
Tomorrow.
it. Okay, let me show you.
What am I doing? I'm filming Grandma Ann.
It's a water gun. Okay, I'll show you how.
Plan for the day.
Okay, let's go put water in it and I'll show you how to do it.
Oh
Okay?
no.
Is that for that tournament?
Yeah.
There's stickers on the ends of the